Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you how to use the auto scroll feature on TikTok and iPhone. This feature is really cool and you can also do that in your Android phone. But for now, let's just focus on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. First, open the TikTok app and go to your homepage. Tap and hold your finger on any video until a menu appears with several options. In the top right corner, you'll see the auto scroll option. Just tap on it. Now, as you can see, the next post will automatically play once the current video finishes. You can just sit back and relax without needing to swipe through your feed. It's that easy and convenient. And if you want to switch back to manual scrolling, just tap the icon above and turn it off. That's it. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.